bounce the ball outside, right? So make sure you keep yourself some outside leverage and the ball comes to you. We on.
Challenge that. Oh yeah, that's a focus. Hey, here we go. There we go. Hell yeah. Let's go, Sully. Hell yeah, let's get upfield. Every little bit counts.
When you and Johnny,
Get in there, get in there. Get in there, get in there.
Holy moly, Jeremiah Mazzoli.
Hey, I'm about to get some shirts made. They gotta say, holy moly, Jeremiah Mazzoli. Here's the popcorn.
Next play. Don't look at the scoreboard.
Let's change the game, dude. Right, way to go, man. Just keep playing. Let's go. Sitting there like, give it to me. Hey, keep eating, boy.
This is our quarter. Own this quarter. We need one.
There we go.